Let me show you how I schedule meetings with Zoom, Google Calendar, and Alice. So I have a snippet created for this. I press forward slash and I type in Zoom. So this is Zoom new meeting. And I can now say meeting with Jake. Let's give email address jake@techsistence.com. Then tomorrow at 10 a.m. for 45 minutes about selling his company. Okay. And I have quite a few details, like all the details necessary to create a meeting. So the Zoom meeting will be created. Also, Alice will create for me a meeting in Google Calendar, an event, and send out the invitation. It's super straightforward. The meeting is scheduled. The topic is selling a company. Duration is 45 minutes. I don't have the agenda. If I put the agenda here, it will be added as well. I have meeting ID and also a join URL. So I can use this URL directly to attend the meeting. Also, the event is now in my calendar, as you can see. So everything went fine. And the Zoom link was created, as you can see, and added to this meeting in Google Calendar as well. So how it works exactly, let me show you the snippets that I have in mind. So let's go to snippets, and this is Zoom new meeting. So the prompt is quite complicated, but it involves a lot of data that I can add or maybe optionally add to this meeting. So I have start and end date. If the end date is not provided, do not return. The start date also not return. If not, duration, if it's not provided, use 60. So there is a lot of things that I don't have to provide, and it will be automatically assumed that it's a 1 hour meeting, for example. I also have participants so that I can add participants. I have my details so that they can be added to a calendar event, and that's basically it. That's pretty straightforward. Also, in Make, the scenario is really simple. So this webhook gets data from Alice, so the data that has been formatted properly. And then I have the Zoom create a meeting module. And then I also have a router. So this just returns response to Alice, and this creates a Google Calendar event. That's basically it. And it works like magic. So this is it. I hope you'll enjoy, and I hope that you'll create a scenario like this. It's really, really easy, even for a non-technical person, to create scenarios like this. And you can obviously use some different software if you use just Google Meet or Teams or whatever else. It's super easy to replace that module with anything that suits your needs. So that's it for now, and see you in the next one.